Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to export or import contacts in Oppo F19 Pro. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, go to your contacts. Then tap the three lines in the top left. From the resulting menu, select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Export. Choose where to export your contacts. You can save the file in your default download folder. To choose different location, tap the three lines from the top left and select the location. You can rename the backup file. Then tap on Save. The contacts will be exported shortly on your selected location. And you will see the confirmation, the contacts exporting has been finished. To begin, go to your contacts. Then tap the three lines in the top left. From the resulting menu, select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Import. You can import contacts from any of your SIM card. If you want to import contacts from any backup file from your storage, select VCF file. Then tap on OK. Choose an account where you want to save your imported contacts. Now find and select the contacts backup file. The contacts will be imported shortly on your device. Now go back. And you can see, the contacts has been added to your phone. So in this way, you can export or import contacts in Oppo F19 Pro. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.